What is good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a nice simple Sunday lunch, fried shrimp basket from a local place called Two Claws. So we just have some fried shrimp here, Cajun fries, some of their what's called their boom boom sauce, which is a little bit like a spicier, creamy type sauce, and then tartar sauce over here, fries. I got ketchup back here as well. I'll be getting involved, so let me break that out first before I get into the shrimp. Yeah, just want a nice little, I don't know, something hit me out, just like, I haven't had like seafood in a while, and fried shrimp seem right. Shrimp is one of my favorite types of seafood. Salmon is my favorite type of seafood, but shrimp, I would want something, fried, And I do have water over here as well. Been trying to up my water intake. So gotta get this ketchup out here. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend, whatever you're doing. Whatever it is you are doing. I'm gonna get all this ketchup, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it all. I love Cajun fries, so like a similar seasoning, I'm assuming, to like Popeye's fries, so it's kind of like that. I assume. I don't know if I've ever had Two Claws fries. So I do have ketchup back here. Again, boom boom sauce, the tartar sauce. I'm gonna get right into these shrimp to start off with. And we're gonna go right into the boom boom sauce. There you go, boom. That seasoning is delicious. Again, what I talked about the other day, and getting flavor and heat in a balance. That has some heat to it. I don't know if the heat is coming off the shrimp or the sauce. So yeah, just some standard fries back here, like crinkle fries, but with some Cajun style seasoning on them. Some tartar sauce on there involved as well. What is everybody up to this weekend? I know some people are excited about spring break probably coming up. Very good. Fries are the seasoning on this is what's making it. I mean, it's good in general, but I like a good, like I said, like a heat and spice balance is like one of my favorite things to put on food, because I like heat. I like to know. I like my taste buds just to be just as excited as I am when I'm eating. I'm saying this to myself primarily, but also if it applies to you, cool. Make sure you're drinking enough water. It's good for everything. It's just, if you view yourself as a human being, as a plant, we need water. And I'm someone who I kind of, I get caught up in the spirit of the day and get my things done, work. And I just take that for granted. And it does catch up with you. It can down your energy. It can make your joints feel sore or not where they need to be. So if you're not getting enough water, like I would say at least like 3 or 4 of these boys a day. would be my guess. I mean, I'm not an expert, so don't take my advice for. I'll say for granted, that wouldn't make any sense. But don't take my advice with a grain. But point is, get more water in you if you're not getting enough. Anybody who drinks, you should know already that you need to, like beer, alcohol, whatever, in between every drink. It helps with the hangover, it just helps with the whole process. And you can still enjoy yourself, you know? The boom boom sauce is where it's at. This is just a nice creamy sauce. Fried shrimp. Yeah, Two Claws is a pretty good spot. I mean, I don't, they have like seafood boils if you're in that. They're a little expensive, but if you're into that, they got those there. Very, very popular place. All right, let's enjoy this last shrimp. Perfect combo. Perfect combo, some fried. Fried shrimp. Man, I need to drink more water. Jeez. I really do. Whenever I'm without it, it's either I'm taking it for granted and like I always feel like a lack of energy, and then I hit the water. Perfect. Like even back when I used to play, wasn't sports. A lot of people had Gatorade, and Gatorade's okay, and I mess with Gatorade here and there, but my primary go-to refreshment was water. I don't know, for me it always just, it worked better. A baseball, basketball, whatever. Is there anything better than French fries? I mean, seriously. if y'all can hear the birds chirping, but it's absolutely peaceful. Perfect. Hits a spot. Hits a spot. They also have like fried whiting, tilapia, of course chicken tenders, stuff like that. But I wanted the fried shrimp. That's really all I need. It's just a nice simple meal. Give me flavor, give me the protein, give me the carbs, water. To me, that's all you need, and that's all you need in your meal. It's a nice, yeah. That's a Sunday lunch, guys. I greatly appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. If it is nice outside where you are, I absolutely also recommend spending some time outdoors. Get some of that vitamin D in you. Feel that fresh breeze. Hear the birds. Smell the grass. It's good for the spirit. You know what I mean? It's just good. It's good for the human condition in general. But guys, I greatly appreciate you guys spending a few minutes with me today on this Sunday. It's not necessarily beautiful outside, but it's nice enough. But guys, thank you for spending a few minutes with me. I greatly appreciate your time. Hope y'all take care, be well, and have a great rest of the day. I'll see y'all soon.